Good morning, student of class 5. I am your computer teacher Sonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start a new chapter, which is chapter 2, types of software. Okay, types of software. So start the discussion. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that, as I told you, I would provide all the question answer, and you need to write all the question answer on your computer copy. The computer copy carries 30 marks, so all of you should write all the question answer on your computer copy. And I hope that all of you have already written and learned the first chapter question answer. Okay, and as per some guardian request and also some student difficulties to understand the lesson in English, I will discuss the chapter both English and give some example in Hindi. Okay, so here you can see the content page of this chapter, software and its types. uh, First is system software and second is application software. So start the discussion. Here you can see, you have read about the software and hardware in previous classes. Here we will learn about the software in more details. When we buy a television set or a music system, it is a hardware that we are buying. Okay, that means जब हम लोग कोई भी टेलीविज़न सिस्टम और म्यूज़िक प्लेयर बाई करते हैं, वो एक हार्डवेयर सिस्टम है. ओके, बट दिस हार्डवेयर इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़ अनटिल एंड अनलेस वी हैव ए CD, VCD और DVD टू प्ले ऑन इट. इसका मतलब है कि हम लोग वो हार्डवेयर जो हम लोगों ने ख़रीदा है टेलीविज़न और म्यूज़िक सिस्टम, तब तक काम नहीं करेगा जब तक हम लोग VCD और DVD उसमें यूज़ नहीं करते. सिमिलरली द कंटेंट ऑफ दिस a computer system is incomplete if you have the CPU, if you have CPU, monitor, keyboard and other device without any software. That means हम लोग जब कंप्यूटर खरीदते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, CPU होता है, मॉनिटर होता है, कीबोर्ड होता है, बट वो तब तक काम नहीं करेगा जब तक वहाँ पे एक सॉफ्टवेयर ना हो. ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर ना हो. ये now a software is a set of program that controls all the operation of a computer system and its device. That means a software used to control all the device and all the वर्क ऑफ ए कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ओके, सो सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करता है? सॉफ्टवेयर इज़ ए सेट ऑफ ए प्रोग्राम है और वो कंट्रोल करता है सब जो भी काम होता है कंप्यूटर के ज़रिए. ऑपरेशन कंट्रोल्स ऑल द ऑपरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम एंड ऑल द डिवाइसेस. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम लाइक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सब देखता है, ऑन होने के बाद देखता है कि कौन सा कनेक्टेड है, कौन सा नहीं कनेक्टेड है. ओके, सो मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट. Here you can see the list of the types of the software. Okay, there are two types of software. One is system software, one is application software. System software are classified in four categories: operating system, device driver, language processor, utility software. Okay, system software is divided by four categories: operating system, device driver, language processor and utility software. And second is application software, which are divided into two categories: general purpose and specific purpose software. Okay, these are the types of software. Now we will discuss about the system software. The system software required to run and maintain the basic components of a computer is called system software. System software, it controls all the internal activities of a computer. That means the system software maintain all the basic components of a computer. Basic components means like one example is operating system control the all components of the computer like keyboard, mouse, CPU, okay, etc. And it control all the internal activities of a computer. Operating system control the all internal activities of a computer. Okay, दैट मीन्स कंप्यूटर क्या करता है कि जितना भी कंपोनेंट्स है जो लाइक कीबोर्ड, माउस, मॉनिटर एक्सेट्रा सबको कंट्रोल करता है. और जितना भी काम हो अंदर कंप्यूटर के ज़रिए कोई भी हम लोग काम करें तो वो कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो एक सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है वो सब मॉनिटर करता है. ओके, some example of system software are operating system, device driver and language processor. Okay, these are the example of system software. So move on to next. Here you can see the operating system. Operating system is the most important program that runs on a computer. It is a software that acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. That means we use the operating system to interact with the hardware. Okay, interact with the hardware. Operating system like a interpreter to communicate the between user and the हार्डवेयर. जैसे कि हम लोगों को पता है कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम का काम है कि वो हार्डवेयर और यूज़र के बीच में कम्युनिकेट करता है. ओके, कम्युनिकेट करता है ताकि सब काम ठीक तरीके से हो. ओके, इट इज़ ए सॉफ्टवेयर दैट एक्ट्स इंटरफेस बिटवीन द यूज़र एंड हार्डवेयर. ओके, and some example of the operating system are Windows, Linux, Unix and Apple iOS. These are the here you can see the image. Some of operating system example are here. Next is function of an operating system. Function of an operating system. The main function of an operating system allowing communication between hardware and attached device. That means allowing communication. Communication मतलब हम लोग easy से हार्डवेयर से बात कर सकते हैं by using input. Okay, we all know that computer needs some instruction to do any work. Okay, so the operating system allowing communication between the hardware and the attached device. एंड जितना भी सारा कंप्यूटर के अटैच डिवाइस है लाइक कीबोर्ड, माउस, सबके बीच एक कम्युनिकेशन करता है. ओके, मैनेजिंग द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरी इन द कंप्यूटर. वी ऑल नो दैट कंप्यूटर हैज़ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मेमोरी लाइक रैम, रोम, प्राइमरी मेमोरी एंड सेकेंडरी मेमोरी. The operating system manage all the different types of memory. Okay, providing the user interface. Operating system provides the user interface, managing the various program present in the computer. That means we all know that computer in a computer there are different types of program installed in the computer. So operating system has to do the manage all the various programs at in the computer. Okay, next is handling the files, folder and directory system in the computers. That means ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सब चीज़ों को देखभाल करता है और सब चीज़ों को हैंडल भी करता है लाइक फाइल्स, फोल्डर्स, डायरेक्टरीज, कौन सा चीज़ कहाँ पे है, सब कुछ बहुत देखता है. Operating system provides security to computer system through username and password. Okay, the computer system also provide the security system through username and password. These are the function of an operating system. So move on to next. Here you can see the types of operating system. Types means what are the different types of operating system. First is single user operating system. Single user means this allows only one user to operate the computer and the program on it. That means only one user able to operate the computer. मतलब कि एक ही यूज़र उस कंप्यूटर को ऑपरेट कर सकता है. ओके, एग्जाम्पल MS-DOS इज़ ए कॉमन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द सिंगल यूज़र ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. दैट मीन सिंगल यूज़र ऑपरेटिंग system example is MS-DOS. MS-DOS is a single user based operating system. Next is multi-user. Multi-user means this allows two or more user to run the program at the same time on a single computer. That means हम लोग कोई भी multi-user में क्या होता है, दो या उससे ज़्यादा यूज़र एक साथ ही हम लोग उस कंप्यूटर को ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, दिस इज़ कॉल्ड मल्टी यूज़र ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. एंड यूनिक्स, लिनक्स, विंडोज आर द कॉमन एग्जांपल ऑफ मल्टी यूज़र ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. नेक्स्ट इज लिनक्स रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. द रिस्पॉन्स instantly to inputs. Real time operating systems are commonly found used to robotics and complex multimedia and animation. That means रियल टाइम जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है वो क्या होता है, इंस्टेंटली, मतलब हम लोग कोई भी इनपुट देंगे वो इंस्टेंटली उसका रिजल्ट निकाल के देता है. रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आर कॉमनली फाउंड यूज्ड इन रोबोटिक्स. ओके, रोबोटिक्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स मल्टीमीडिया एंड एनिमेशन में यूज़ होता है. लिनक्स एंड विंडोज सी आर द सम एग्जांपल ऑफ रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Okay, these are the types of operating system. You need to read the topic for better understand. Next is device driver. next is device driver. All the computer accessories like printer, scanner and web camera come with their own software. Okay, come with their own software. These software are called drive software. The device drive software helps the operating system to communicate with the computer accessory. Here you can see the different device driver: printer, pen drive, mouse. Okay, these are the डिवाइस ड्राइवर सॉफ्टवेयर. दैट मीन्स इस डिवाइस ड्राइवर सॉफ्टवेयर को यूज़ करने के लिए उन लोगों का उसका एक अलग सा ही सॉफ्टवेयर होता है. उस सॉफ्टवेयर के ज़रिए क्या होता है, जो डिवाइस है वो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम से काम कर सकता है, कम्युनिकेट कर सकता है. ओके, दिस इज़ द मेन थिंग ऑफ डिवाइस ड्राइवर. So move on to next. Here you can see the inside question answer of the following topic. First is define software. I have already discussed about these topics. A software is a set of program that controls the operation of a computer system and devices. Next is define system software with example. The system software required to maintain all the basic components computer is called system software. It controls the internal activities of the computers, and here are some example of the system software. Operating system, device driver and language processor are the example of device system software. Okay, next is define operating system. We all know that operating system is used to interact with between user and the hardware. An operating system is most important program that runs on a computer. It is a software that acts interface between the user and the hardware. And some example is Windows, Linux, Unix, Apple, iOS, etc. Okay, so next, write the function of an operating system and the different, what are the different types of operating system. I already have discussed about this. What is device drive? Device drive like scanner, printer, etc. This device driver software has its own softwares to communicate with the operating system. Next is write some uses of device driver. Device driver is used to help the operating system communicate with the computer accessories. Okay, this is the uses of device driver. So all you need to do one thing, that write this question answer on your computer copy, and also learn the computer copy, learn the question answer and read the topic carefully. Read the topic carefully, otherwise you will won't understand the topic. And as I told you that I would provide all the question answer, and so no more today. I will continue the chapter in my next video. So till then, take care, thank you, goodbye.